Yo, what's going on? Welcome back. Let's change here to my main account. Good morning. Welcome to another trading session live stream. All right, so for those who were with me in the pre-market, we did have some areas for the equity markets, areas of interest. I do like to wait and see the correlations with the internal, but the ES got to the supply and started to reject there. I said if the dollar goes to demand, it hasn't come to demand, but it's holding right there pretty nicely. Now the bond yields, they came back to the demand and they're starting to reject that level. So right now the yields are aligned for the short in the equity markets, not the dollar. The dollar is in the middle of nowhere right now. The dollar is exactly at the halfway from the demand or the supply. So I want to pay attention to that. My mindset right now is, okay, I can do this. I just need to wait for the right setup. I don't need to rush into any trade, right? So I can prepare. I will have the time to execute correctly. Okay, so that's my mindset. All right. Yeah, let's do this together. If you like to share any ideas, you're welcome to do it. Okay. The market is about to open in 30 seconds. I want to adjust date. There we go. So after the market open, I want to take a look at the dollar, where the dollar is at. Now I do see the rates already reacting off of my level. The dollar is just bouncing from couple pivots created during London. 4 a.m. So we're off. See what this thing bring us. All right, so the internals. ADQD obviously opened up pretty bullish. Same for the tick chart. We did have plus 1,000 in the tick chart. Plus 1,000 in the tick chart. As of now, I see the RTY as the weakest one. RTY and the YM are the ones that are on the weaker side. Then the ES is holding right there, and the NQ is the one that is pushing harder to the upside. So I want to turn on my risk. Let's see how much is my risk today. I'll put $250. $240. I like 240. Yeah, less than 1.2. $240 per trade. So this is the chart for the NQ. The overnight high, and we have the overnight low, way lower, okay? So RTY is pushing down sharply. I think we were close to 2% in the RTY. Yeah. Bond yields are coming out of the demand pretty nicely, and the dollar is going up. Okay, so now since the dollar is coming off of an area that I didn't have marked in the charts, I want to be very cautious here. Okay. We do have ISM manufacturing PMI, right? At 10. Where is it? Yes. ISM manufacturing PMI at 10 a.m. So I want to be aware of that too. So the ES is coming off of the supply pretty nicely. The supply that we put in the pre-market. So we sort of double top here at the open. So I do have, I could have this. Let's see. I want to see it. I want to see it confirmation. I want to see a confirmation. Let's go to the internals. Zero line. So this is zero line on the tick chart. We need to be careful, okay? Because this can be a continuation to the upside. And the risk and reward ratio is not only not there. I will have to do this in order to grab my money before this. So tick chart is hovering the zero line, and this thing is going up. So, and the dollar is in this is an area that dropped at 840. So I don't trust these areas, right? I don't trust this area. I think the dollar has a more continuation to the upside. Let's see what happens. If the ES is coming down out of the supply, and I think 36.19 is a good area to start just taking out. Bond yields coming up. Nice. Let's see if we can have this retracement to the upside. So tick chart hasn't broken to the negative side of the chart. Let's go see the volume. Volume is about, it's going to be ready in 30 seconds. 20 seconds, sorry. Is to the lower side. Yeah, we don't have a high volume day though. Let's see if we have our retracement right here in this 7 minute. It looks like it wants to continue to go down. All right, so tick chart barely through the zero line. Dollar in the area that we had from the FX market open is and it's close to the supply though. All right, so here we had a low and a barely a lower low. Now tick chart is breaking down, so forget about this. Let's see if we can have a retracement to the upside, probably with the news, so we can short this thing. With no retracement, it's impossible for me to enter this short. All right, the bond yields start to toss right a little bit. Just stop right there at 3.7. But the dollar continues to push. I don't want to be overly aggressive right here. I know I do have some room to the downside. At least till until the overnight right here. I do think this is a very possible level to revisit today, 935. If we turn this thing bearish, we can come back to this level. But if it doesn't retrace to the upside, it's gonna be impossible for me to get in. Just need this thing to give me a push to the upside so I can have my setup. The ES already went to 36.1950, so that's a point of interest right there. So pivot created at 2 in the morning. I don't want to be overly aggressive in this pivot. I know there's an area where sellers are gonna show up right here, but for me, it's more like either the red line or a 1450. I don't think 1450 or even the overnight high is a good area. All right, so the ADQD is lining up pretty nicely. See if we can have the break probably in the next 7 minutes. So now rates start to go sideways right there. I want to be careful with this. So new 15 minute and tick chart is making new highs. We might have a break to the upside, even the overnight high probably. There we go. So I do have an order right there. Let's see if we happen to come down, we're gonna get into this thing. If we break to the upside, then we will cancel this order. So the 7 minute is not bad. It's good, but the tick chart makes is keeps going higher, but hasn't broken the open though. If we break to the upside, then we never got into this trade. All right, the ADQD is setting up pretty nicely. Now we need the tick chart. Let's see if we can have the tick chart. The order is set though. The dollar's coming down. It's not bad. All right, so we got filled. Let's see if we can have some sort of retracement to the downside. Yeah, 3 minute is not looking good though. Yeah, we got out of this trade already. So one losing trade. One losing trade. Let's see what happens here. I might retake this trade again. Let's go back here. So the tick chart is good. I'm gonna re-put this trade. See if we can have the same. Yeah, I know we lost once, but everything is setting. Everything is aligned. All right, so we're re-engaged here. Let's see if we can have it. If not, it'll be -2, and that will be it for me. Yeah. I don't know. This thing is not working. Tick chart came to the 0 line, and now it's retracing back up sharply. Let's see if we can have the push to the downside. If not, this trade is not gonna work. I wanna go see the dollar. Yeah, the dollar is just not moving. Rates continue to go up. That will be good news for me, but market is not moving in my favor though. There's no action for me to take right here, but to wait. And I know it's painful. It's very painful. I already assumed the risk. Let's see if we can have the target, right? So is this thing moving 1-to-1 already? I think so, right? 17. Yeah. So let's move the stop 1-to-1. So it moved the stop 1-to-1. I'm gonna go break even. I don't know how much he can continue to move. The tick chart is at 0 line. And the dollar, well, the dollar is not doing its thing though. So I might get break even in this one. If we happen to drop, because I do think the rates are going up, the yields, so it's not a bad trade. The location is good, but we don't have the momentum. We do not have the momentum to the downside. Yeah, tick chart is at 0 line. This thing is bouncing. Yeah, we got our break even. And no, look, this thing has no momentum to the downside. So I want either to reevaluate my assessment, my analysis, or Look at that. It's very volatile. No, there's no follow through. And right now I cannot re-engage. The tick chart goes to zero line and retraces back up. Retraces back up. It's tough because we got stopped out right here. Look at this. We got stopped out right here. See that? It's really tough. Like few ticks. 1 point. 1 point. And then now we got stopped out break even. I think it's a good area. Now at this point I'm gonna wait for the ISM report to come out. So yields are going up. That's good. And the dollar is going up. I mean, it's sideways right there. So I think there's more downside here. I know it's hard to say that because this thing is going up, but I think the dollar might be pushing this thing down later. It's hard to be resilient when you have this type of behavior on the market. Like I got stopped out for freaking 1 point, and then a break even, and then there is follow through. It has like it is what it is. All right, 2 minutes. There you go. it usually when it drops, it goes a lot faster. Now it's pretty slow. And I wouldn't try this area again. There you go. So we have the news out. Damn. Definitely going higher to supply. Yeah. So we broke the overnight. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, right. Yields gapped down. And the dollar too. All right. So I want to say the short is still the better, the best setup right here. Let's see if the tick chart gives us some sort of divergence. So we don't have anything here, but let's go see to the left. Time is this? 3 in the afternoon. All right, we do have some divergence here on the tick chart. So here we created a high 49, right? Oh no, forget it. So tick chart is breaking higher. So the divergence is gone. Pretty aggressive buying though. There's no short right now. There's no short this thing. The dollar is coming back down to the demand pretty sharply though. Oof. Bond yields are collapsing. Big time. Big time today. 5%. Dollar continues to drop, and yields are still in the demand, but they're dropping pretty sharply. So everything is going up. The ES is 1.62 up percent. YM is 176. R2Y is 1.8. And NQ is 1.3. Dollar continues to drop. And yields. It's a carnage right there. So I do have this supply, but it's already tested. I don't know if it will work. So what is this? 1007 here, 1007. 1007 what? 1008. Yes, 1008. So we have a little bit of divergence here. Even though this thing is going up, here the tick chart has a higher high. Yes, the 04. So yields are dropping and the dollar is dropping, all right? So let's see if the tick chart comes back up. I might take this. And I want to do a very, very small risk. So it came just, it tapped. Oh no, I didn't touch it. The short is a riskier trade. Um, but the dollar is in demand and the bond yields are in demand. Um, Tick chart is showing divergence a little bit. So I could take this one, not for like the overnight lows and whatnot. No, it's just a quick tradable reaction right there. Now I need the tick chart not to make a new high though. If it does make a new high, it'll means that I won't take this one. I know the market is going up almost well the NQ is almost up 1.23%, and the other ones are going up 1.5. I know it's hard to short, but I think the short has somewhat a probability right now. Nowhere is that like I need this. I need this area, and I need the tick chart not to make a new high though. And if yeah, yeah, it's what I call tradable reaction, meaning it gets to a level, it starts to reverse a little bit, even though the trend is up. I just go counter trend. If I want to go long, I will need the dollar to break to the downside, and it hasn't. That's the thing. If the dollar breaks to the downside on the retest, then I will go long. So the long is not 100% discarded, right? But we need the setup. It's not right there yet. Did you show right there? 84, or are you get the ES, right? MS, you trade the ES. That's a 7 a.m. candle. 7 a.m. candle. Oh, okay. Cool. I think the long is not bad at 122 right here, but I will need the dollar to either break that area or go to the supply again. But now the supply, I'm starting to believe that the supply is gonna start, to fail. Oh, support, yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting for the 85. Let's see. The dollar is already there. The yields are already there. Um, I just need price to come back up and not give me a like a higher rate in the tick chart. I know is a lot to ask, but I already lost one trade on my second setup. I want to be uh more strict though. Yeah. Five what? Five contracts. I raised five at a time on the MNQ. Oh, okay. Cool. So it didn't make a new low right there. Let's see the rate, the yields. What about the 5 minute? The dollar. Hmm. Very sharp move to the upside, which is good. I rather a sharp move against on my direction if I want to short. I don't want this thing just when it's going up, right? I want to short when this thing is just sharply moving to the upside. It looks scary, but it's a better setup. So there you go. I'm gonna put. I do have an order limit right there, so everything is setting up to the short right there. Um, why this thing has just one contract? There you go. Mm, yeah. Um, Picture is being rejected at the zero line. That I don't like that, but it hasn't created any other high. If it creates a new high on the tick, I will take this order off. But for now, I think it's good. Pretty narrow risk though. I do have a 7 minute. Is I hope it goes right now. No, it might continue. It might continue. Yeah, but the setup is right there. It's not bad. Tick chart hasn't broken to the upside. Dollar is in demand, and yields are going down. Still in the demand. Hmm. All right. I'm starting to watch the tick chart. Hasn't making any other higher highs. So let's see if we can have this trade. Wow, tick chart is pretty choppy though. It's trying to break to the upside. Yeah, the ES is breaking higher. 7 more minutes. I either win or lose this trade. That's two possible outcomes, right? So I'm not gonna overthink this. 3 more minutes for the 7 minute. The tick chart does not look bad. What do you say that, MB? 8 minutes is yeah, so now the tick chart is good. It's not making a new high. Slowly grinding up. Let's see if we can have this short right here. All right, so we're in this thing. No follow through though. Let's see. Okay, the tick chart got to the highs. Um, yeah, this thing is gonna lose money. I guess. I guess the short is not gonna work today. Yeah, the tick chart is not good right now. It didn't make a new high, but it's not following through to the downside. So we might get stepped out, and that's it. That'll be it for me. I did have a bad Friday, and I'm having a bad Monday. Bad Monday is very unusual for me. Bad Fridays is within my statistics, but bad Mondays is not good. So now tick chart start to come down. That's even worse. That's it, guys. That I think is it for me. Setting up for a new high. There we go. So I got out -2 today as well. That's not good. I'm having a bad streak. Um. Yeah. No. Look. That is fine. It's Monday. We could have a good retracement to the upside. Um. It is what it is. Like I don't think it was a bad trade per se. Everything was aligned. Dollar was coming down. The tick chart trend was not up, but I did have the divergence. So, one thing that I didn't pay attention to was the ADQD though. Obviously, there is something that I need to review right here in my trading attitude. So I'm gonna take a couple minutes off so I decompress a little bit, okay? I'm coming back. All right. There's not much I can do when I am -2. One thing that I could do is just cut my risk in half and try to go for another trade. But I'm not thinking in recovering today. It's not gonna be a good strategy for me. So what I could do is right now here on the risk, I will have to go back down to like $100, half of a percent. And if I lose a third trade, it will not hurt so much as now it's Monday. I do think is the beginning of the month, so there's a lot of opportunities to be taken. Let's wait for another setup. I'll be risking half. Yeah. So I'm gonna go see the yields broke down. Dollar is still in the demand. Pretty tough for me. Pretty tough. Friday and Monday, not good. Let's see if we can get this one. If not, this one. $7 is gonna close in 30 seconds. It's getting volatile, this thing. It's getting volatile. Look at this. Look at this candle. From 2 to 15, this is a share bar. Is at 10:30. After 10:30. Yeah. So you were short, MB? Oh yeah, short one contract. There you go. Yeah, there's no follow through to this short side. This thing is being bought. It looks like. Yeah, look at the 3 minute looks pretty ugly to the downside. Yeah. Yeah, there's no follow through, and the tick chart is at its lowest. This thing is gonna skyrocket. It's gonna explode to the upside. I think. I hope this thing just drops so we can buy lower. Let's see. Yeah, no, the short's not good right now. I hope it drops, but it doesn't look good though. And I do have 46, so it's just it's 15 points more. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna try any other short unless everything is pretty much changed. But nothing looked like it's going to change in the short term. We need to be patient. Like if I already lost two trades. So what's the meaning for me to just try to be more aggressive the other way around? I want to be more cautious. I'm not thinking clearly. Like I didn't see the long anywhere. And clearly the market is just going up. So I want to have that type of mindset. I don't want to be overly aggressive when I'm not accurate. Well, that is for me. I'm talking for myself. Yeah, this thing just gets to the zero line on the tick chart and it goes up. So I don't think, I hope we have a drop so we can engage into this thing long, but it doesn't look like we will have any drop anytime soon. I hope it comes down, but for those who are thinking short, I do think it's a good time to wait unless you guys have something that I'm not seeing. Okay. And if it comes down, fine. Um, but I don't want to risk me being in this thing um short when it's super bullish. Hmm. My supply is 300 in the NQ, so there is 100 points above, like the high quality supply, right? Let's see. If it turns around, then we'll play it to the short side. But for now, I don't think. Yeah, volatility is just coming in. A lot of volatility is coming in. So some sell orders might be coming into the market, but Yeah, every time the tick chart is right there, it is not so if this thing drops to like around below 140, that could be a good long though. Let's see. Yeah, there's no follow through to the short side. So anytime we can bounce back up. There's no follow through. Yeah, it's dropping right now, but it's getting heavy like you said, but there's no follow through. It hasn't broken any low yet since 10 a.m. Hasn't broken any low. Let's see if we can broken this one at 193, but market is holding up really well. So new 7 minute. Let's see the pattern. The 7 minute has a very bullish um pattern right there. Let's see, but it probably needs to break down to continue. There we go. Yeah, this thing is just breaking up. It's breaking to the upside. Yeah, that's good. That is pretty good. Yeah, the location for me to go long is impossible, so I wouldn't, especially in this bear market, I wouldn't go long after move up 1.5%, right? But if we have a better retracement, then yes, like around 140, I might trade along. Yeah, we have a new hour. So tick chart hovering in the zero line. So we might have some continuation here. So the market is just rejecting that area, and tick chart is not picking up. So we're coming to the 84. See what the 84 um does do here. It's where we rejected to the upside though. Oh yeah, that's why I like the NQ, but you need to like get to know what you're trading. Like if I were to trade the ES, it's not like I feel the price action. Whereas in the NQ, I sort of like I have more like an idea of what the price action means. 3 minutes, 7 minutes, and so on. So tick chart wants to apparently continue to the upside. So a good drop here wouldn't be crazy. Yeah, this thing is rejecting. Yeah, a lot of volatility involved right there. A lot of volatility. Let me go check on the dollar. Still in the demand. And the yields just stopped dropping. Wow. Rejection right there. Buyers are showing up. Rejection right there. Yep. Buyers are showing up right there. Yeah, the longest is not bad, but it's too high for me. Like I need 140, 160, somewhere around there. I think if we are patient enough, we might have those levels to, I mean, in the next couple of hours. If not, I will not take it long. Yeah, everything is turning bullish right now. Let's see. Yeah, this thing is exploding. That was a rejection, guys. That was the retracement. Now the 7 minute is flying. That's a good sign for the longs. That is a pretty good sign for the longs. You're out, MB? Yeah, the 30 minute looks pretty nice to the upside. Pretty nice. Break even? Oh, not good. Are you still in it? Oh, okay. So you're you're in profit, right? I don't think there's much to the downside. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna. Thank you, Adam. See you tomorrow. I wouldn't short. I wouldn't short this thing. Like I already took two shorts. They were bad trades. Bad trades because they, not bad trades because they didn't make money, but could have done better. That's it. All right, so this thing is about to break to the upside, I think. Nope. Rejecting that, but buyers are there. Buyers are showing up big time. Yeah, big time. Now dollar broke to the downside. A lot of volatility right there coming in. A lot of volatility coming in. I really hope we have 140 later today, because I want to take those levels to the long side. Now, they went from the positive extreme to a negative extreme for the day, I mean. So this level is a in the tick chart. In the tick chart is not a bad long. In the tick chart, I mean, that doesn't mean it's a good level in the NQ. So every time it gets to like minus 200, this thing just bounces back up. Just a little bit, not much. It was like an equal high on the tick chart and a higher high on the NQ. But we're not in a significant level in the NQs. That's why I don't pay attention to it. If we were in a very good level to short, meaning 240, 250, 300, um, I would think differently. But for now, no. For now, I'm not touching this thing to the short side. Not until it's in a better level. No, I wouldn't touch this with a 10-foot pole to the short side. Hmm. Yeah. Not easy though. Not easy. All right. Since I have nothing here, I'm going to. Hmm. What? Why it rejects my order? Hmm. Oh, rhythmic. That is rejecting to the upside. Yes. Hmm. Just nothing I can do other than just wait. Pretty boring, pretty sad, pretty fucked up because I do want to keep trading, but I need to force myself not to do it. It will cost me money if I get into this chop. Whatever amount of money that I lost, it's already done. I cannot get that money back right now. I don't have the setup. I don't have anything to do. It's hard because I want to keep trading, but hope so, bro. Hope so. Yeah. Getting inside this range is pretty risky. I think we can have 246 in a few minutes, and let's see how the markets react off of that level. Even though I was not biased short earlier, I did have some sort of bias because I only traded short. I didn't see the long anywhere. I was waiting for the short. So I think my analysis was pretty bad today. My read of the market was not good. Bonito. So a new 30-minute. pretty boring. Let's go see the dollar. It's uh coming back up to the previous demand that we broke down. So if we have this retracement to the upside here, I think we might have some more continuation to the downside. So that you know what that means, right? That's more upside on the equity markets. Um, Although what I said in the pre-market is this entire area can go up to this level. So I don't think the dollar has a chance today. Like the yen is being bought by. Oh shit! Sorry about this. Give me 1 second. I need to put everything back. Oh my god, when this happens. All right, I think you can watch that. Right, give me 1 second while I put everything back. Um. Welcome, Harry. Welcome. Yeah, if the short comes, fine. But I don't have anything to short right there. Pretty tight. I wanted to say something. All right, let's go here. The chart, the dollar. Okay. So if the dollar comes to that level and turns around, then we might have. But for now, it does not look good. Let's see if we have the turnaround from there. No, I am a day trader. I would say a very conservative day trader. I don't suggest. I'm sorry. I don't suggest. Hey, Rich, you still there? Price action. You can watch my videos. I do have a lot of videos about my trades live taken. So go back to see my videos, Harry. You will know about my trading. So the 6 month bill auction came out 3.85. Wow. So I guess the yield curve is a lot more inverted right now. I'm not ready for it. When I'm ready, I will be making videos about swing trading, but not as of right now. Thanks for the suggestion, though. All right, so hey, Rich, the short is working right now. God damn it. It is fine. Try to work on yourself, not on the chart. Like I did read the market very bad, and I need to accept that. Like here's the deal. I don't like the 84 for the long, even though it has worked. They worked here in my work again. For me, it's like around 140 down here. Everything is patience, bro. Amazing. No, the tick chart is making lower lows every time it drops. So until I don't have a divergence, I think this thing might drop. So we will have a new 15-minute candle in 1 minute. I hope that 15 can give me the push to get into my short. $11.50. If can get down there, 11,150. It's not crazy. But I will look at the tick chart. If the tick chart start to make, if the NQ makes new lows and the tick chart doesn't, you need to be careful with it. Right now, it's pretty tough. It doesn't want to break this. Doesn't want to break this. Yeah, near 15. Might give a push to the upside and then could drop. Let's go see the 15 minutes. Yeah, it anchor break to the downside. Let's see if we can have some follow through. So look at this. The tick chart is not making new lows, even though this thing is making new lows. So I will be careful right there. And it might continue to come down, probably 60 or 60 something, and then bounce because the tick chart is very hesitating. All right, so this thing might have gone to the limit regarding the short. Tech chart is back to positive numbers. Hmm. So this is a new 15-minute candle. And we opened up to the downside and we're rejecting big time to the upside. So for those who are short, I would be a bit careful right here. Yeah, now it's it did a double bottom and is trying to bounce from there. All right, so tick chart is coming down, but this thing is not. So watch out, okay, for those who are shorting. So this is the last minute of the 7 minute. Let's see what this 7 minute gives us. Hmm. New 7 minute. There you go. Just turning back up. See, we don't have follow through to the downside. Is holding right there. It's pretty choppy. So now the tick chart is rejecting the zero line. That's not good for the short. Let's see if we can have some follow through. Yeah. Buyers are showing up right there. This thing is trying to push lower, but it can't. Buyers show up every time this thing comes down. All right, tick chart is making new lows. Let's see. There's no following through though. Let's see. Tick chart is making new lows. Nice short. If you're still in it, Beto, pretty nice. Pretty clean. Yes, we did have that retracement, but still working. I did have 205 to short. It came close. Good. 11150 is not crazy. Um, especially the way it went up. The way it went up was so sharply that doesn't give me any confidence that a demand can work. Like 140 is one demand, but if you go to the 5 minutes, It's a rally-based rally, but it made the attempt to work from 76 and it couldn't. So the point, I guess, is the 136. That's why I say 150, right? A good target. If you have some contracts scale out or something. Okay, cool. But it's a counter trend trade. It's a counter trend. So the dollar is back at the level that we were paying attention to. So let's see what I have here. Ooh, it's not good. Here's the thing. I don't even have a risk and reward ratio for the long. This area is not bad, but the risk and reward ratio is so tight. And the dollar is back at the area where we were accounting that could come back. Like here. Dollar went down, it's coming back up to this area. Let's see if this thing continues to go up, then we will have a reversal day. But if the dollar just continue its trend for the day, which is more likely to happen, we might have a continuation from there, and not lower. All right, so I do have an order right there. Let's see if we can fill it in. The chart came to a high. ADQD retraced. Now it's going back up. It's a counter trend trade. But I caught my risk big time. Yeah. So one more minute for the 7 minute. And it's 2:06. So we're not we're 15 points away. I think this is the longest live stream that I've done. So the 5 minutes is about to close. 5 minutes is about to close. Let's see if we can get filled in. If this is the thing, if we don't get filled in the next 30 seconds, and this thing does this and then goes back up, I wouldn't take it. Okay, because the momentum is gonna be against me. So right now is good, but I do have 30 seconds. Or even better, if it just open and then fills me in, but not if this comes back down. Now this trade will not hurt me very much because I cut the risk in half. So there you go. So I wanted to hold and to fill me in right there. There we go. I don't want this to go down and then fill me in. Tick chart again, bouncing from the 0 line. All right, we're in this thing. Short. Half risk, so I'm not very much worried about this. And after this trade, if I record a losing trade, it'll be either sim or no more trades. So the tick chart came to its highs, is not bad, but it's retracing back up, and this thing is it's not dropping. You still long? Yeah, long is not bad, but here is too high for me. If I get stopped out from this trade, that'll be my last trade. This one is half risk, so I'm not very much worried. Yeah, it'll hurt because I've had 4 losers in a row. Friday 2, today 2, and I did have one break even, but I haven't had a winner since Thursday, so it's a little bit like concerning, but that's the way this works. You can have losing streaks and winning streaks, and I'm trying to execute the best way I can. All right, so there's no follow through here. This thing is pushing higher. So tick chart is holding right there. I don't think my trade is going to work. Tick chart certainly does not look good after I got in the trade. The ADQD is fine. It's just retracing to the upside, so I'm not worried about that. That is good. The dollar. Let's go see the dollar. The dollar is coming back down, right? That's normal from there. Oh, there we go. Just we're gonna be stepped out. So I have struggled with this short bias in the past. Like I would prefer to short all the way before longing. I don't know why I feel like I still have that bias. Like I shorted 3 times when this thing is just clearly going up. Um, but the tick chart was not making new highs. It's still not making any new highs, but and it was making new lows. But certainly, I guess my trades today were biased to the short side because I'm not accustomed to the market being up, and today we might have a plus 2-3%. It's very volatile. The VIX is very volatile. There we go. So we got stepped out again 3 times, 5 losing trades in a row. Now this one didn't hurt very much because the risk was fairly low, but man, it's frustrating sometimes. Um, I don't know. I think it's just not my day. Um, I need to go off the charts, turn the computer off, and try to work on my psychology and just do the work outside the chart. So I have reached the limit for my account is -3. So even if I want to keep trading, I cannot. Yeah. um, I cannot keep trading. Although my account logs out at -800, is -$540. Um, but there's no point for me to keep trading. That's I'm clearly not doing things well. And I hope you can either relate or just feel some compassion about me because I'm not trading well today. And this is the proof of how tough is this thing. Like I could have 2, 3, 5 days in a row good, then 2, 3, 5 days in a row bad. The only difference is that And the good thing is that I took 3 trades and I still not gave up what I won one of my last trading days. I usually make 700, 600. So I'm fine. Thanks, buddy. Thanks, MB. And I do apologize. I didn't read the market well today. Like I tried to do my best, but obviously today I didn't. Um, so where we were stopped out? We were stopped out here. Okay. All right. So I think that's it for me today. Going to go get lunch. Mow the lawn a little bit, and then I'll come back to log my trades and do the recap. Okay. Thank you guys for being here. See you guys tomorrow morning. Okay. Have a nice day.